Hi friends, in today's video we'll understand how do you notify your subscriber about your new video as soon as you post it, or how you can disable this feature so that your subscribers are not notified about new videos, and that depends on case to case, right? So whenever you upload a new video, I will just take an example. Then I will upload a new video, select a file. Now when you do this, when you scroll down, so there is one option, publish to subscriptions feeds and notify subscribers. So if you are take this, basically this app enables you to send your subscribers a notification on mobile or any system about the new video as soon as you have posted it, and it will also appear on their feed on YouTube, right? If you untick this, it won't appear and your subscribers won't be notified. You can select this on case to case basis for your each video upload. And it is very important to understand that if you are posting some content which is not in line with your niche, basis any certain reason, it is advisable to untick this, because subscribers, if they don't find your content as per regular uploads, they might unsubscribe you. So please ensure you are selecting the right option in enabling and disabling as per your requirement. If you have found this useful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. For more such information on YouTube videos, do follow our channel YouTube with Saave.